We've looked everywhere for that fox, Hannah. I really should be getting back.
No! Please, Trevor. If we don't find him, Mum will be really cross. And if you go, we'll never get back.
You'd be a real hero if you helped us, Trevor.
You got something in your eye, Norman?
No,
Look! Up there! I see something red, and it's moving.
It's the fox! I'll get him!
No, Norman. That's a very tall tree. Let me do it. I am Chief Pioneer, remember? I just wish I hadn't had that pork pie for lunch.
Keep going, Trevor.
Now, a little to the left. That's it. You've got it.
It's not a fox.
It's not.
It's a kite. Oh!
Are you all right, Trevor?
I think so. Wow!
It's time to call Fireman Sam. I'm proud to announce Radar is 100% happy and healthy.
Hooray! I'm still a bit confused, Lizzie. Why has Radar been under the weather lately?
I have no idea.
Well done, boy. You deserve your favourite chucky treat.
No, Elvis. Chocolate can make dogs really ill. Have you been giving him lots of chocolate treats?
Well, no. Yes. Maybe a few.
Mystery solved.
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Penny, you and I will go in Venus. Elvis, call in Tom with the helicopter.
Roger that, Sam.
Go get them, boy. I'm proud of you.
Hang on, Trevor.
Here comes Fireman Sam.
I see him, boy.
Oh, dear.
Gotcha. Flyers above the train, Tom.
No worries, Sam.
No, Maxwell, look. Your phone call worked.
It's a UFO.
Aliens!
Norman?
Shh, I'm hiding from the aliens.
Sorry, Sam. We'll have to head back to the rescue centre till this blizzard blows over. There's just too much snow.
That's it. Snow. Drop me off here, Tom.
Nice one, Sam.
Totally epic.
It's an alien on the roof.
It's not an alien, Norman. It's Uncle Sam.
Of course it is. I knew that.
Hey!
I'm so sorry, Sam. That'll teach me to wear a cardboard box on my head.
You mean an astronaut's helmet, Gareth?
Oh, yes.
This way, everyone. The clouds are lifting.
I'm sorry I tried to play a prank on you, James. I wasn't really fooled. I know aliens aren't real. Oh, yes, they are. One visited my house last night. Really? Yes, he was a little green man with 7 eyes, 12 tentacles, a purple mustache, and he... Oh. Alarm tested, Uncle Sam. The batteries are fine.
Well done, James. You've completed the Fireman Sam challenge.
Hooray! Oh.
Now, I just need to finish this.
We're back! Uncle Sam, I've spotted something else. But it's not in the house.
What is it, James?
There's a fire on the mountain.
That's where the pioneers are. I'd better call the station.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
The forest trails are too small for Jupiter. We'll need to take Venus. The water cannon, Penny! We have to contain the fire!
I'm on it.
That's dampened it down, Penny, but we could do with some backup.
Hang on, Sam. I'm on my way.
That'll do nicely.
Norman, James is the star of the show, not you.
But James hasn't turned up. Oh, stupid flippers. Voila!
Me water lilies. Me Aaron! Me scenery!
We'd better call Fireman Sam.
Fire at the Lido. The Froggy Fantasy has burst into flames.
There's a fire at the Lido.
The Froggy Fantasy has burst into flames.
We'll meet you there, Arnold.
We'll drive Venus and Jupiter down.
That won't be quick enough. Tom, you'll need to winch me up.
Right away, Sam.
To the Lido!
James? James! Oh, no!
Here comes Tom and Fireman Sam.
Stand back, everyone.
Sam, we can't find James. He didn't do his Froggy finale and
He's locked in the changing rooms.
What? How did that happen?
I wanted to be the star of the show, so I glued the door shut. I'm really sorry, Fireman Sam. I didn't know there was going to be a fire.
Never mind that now, Norman. We need to rescue him, and we haven't got any fire engines here.
Oh, no. What have I done?
Tom, I've got a plan. I need you back here right now. I'm heading for the changing rooms. They're not on fire yet, but they soon will be. Are you ready?
Nearly, Sam. Just loading up.
Help! Help!
It's all right, James. Stand back.
Uncle Sam!
I got you. Don't worry. Tom, are you ready?
We're there, Sam. Elvis.
Okay, Tom. I've got it all under control.
We're safe, everyone, but the fire's still burning. Tom, more water.
We'll use the hoses too.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help.